What's up, what's up? Today we have another property tour. And today we are in Sky Canyon in northwest of Las Vegas. And we're gonna be checking out Skyecrest East and West, built by Century Community Home. And for today's property tour, we're gonna be checking out this home right behind me, guys. Floor plan 2400. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you wanna stay up to date with all the new builds here in the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notification. That way you are the first to be alerted on any new builds here in the Las Vegas area. We get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make a move, and we love it. So whether you're 7 days, 90 days, 6 months, a year, doesn't matter, guys. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call with us. We'll be glad to help you make that smooth transition. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan 2400 in Skyecrest East and West by Century Community Homes. I just did a property tour on that one, guys, right there. If you want to check it out, I'll have the link on your top right hand screen, but definitely suggest staying and watching this one first. So as you can see, guys, got two model homes of 2-story and one that is single story. If you don't like any of these floor plans, I got good news, guys. They have 3 other floor plans that are available. So if you don't like any of the 3, you got 3 other ones to choose from. And not just that, guys, there's 3 single-story homes available here and 3 2-story homes. So it's a 50-50. So if you're looking for a single-story home, you came to the right place, and I cannot wait to show you guys this home, especially this kitchen. I'll tell you what, my favorite part of this home. So this one, guys, just before I am gonna mention the base price on this one, but just know that the builder now is selling these spec'd out. What does that mean for you? What that means, guys, is the builder's now picking the options for you guys, and also they are picking up those lot premiums. So I'll tell you the spec price, but first I'll mention that base. That way at least you know what the out the door price is and gives you an idea of what they're going for. So this one right here, so it's 2,400 square feet, single story home. So it has 3 bedrooms. You could have it up to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath to 3 bathroom, 3 bay car garage. Check it out. And the options for this one, guys, would be the covered patio, your home office, multi-gen, that bedroom number 4 and bathroom number 3, primary bath separated, tub and shower, and then primary bath luxury shower. So those are the spec as base price, guys. Now let me go over with you what they're selling this home for spec'd out. So they have one that is gonna be ready in February or March, spec'd out, and that one is being offered at $656,040, guys. That includes your lot premiums and $88,000 in options. And that one's gonna be have the patio A. It's gonna have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, electric fireplace, KitchenAid appliances. You're gonna have a laundry sink and cabinets, tiled shower in the primary bath, barbecue stub, upgraded electrical, 2-tone paint, dust cabinets, and new Ventino beige quartz countertops. Also, it is in an HOA community, guys. Gate is right over there. And here you have your master plan and your regular sub HOA. And that is $166 a month. Also, I know I mentioned we're in East and West. This is East. They currently have 25 lots here, guys, all sold out now. The good news is, guys, that's West, right over there where you see that home being built. And they're gonna have 67 lots over there. And these are gonna be the exact models they're gonna be building over there as well, or at least just say floor plans. And also, if you're not familiar where we're at, guys, we're in the northwest of Las Vegas in Sky Canyon. And I'll tell you what, they got pretty good amenities. They got a fitness center, they got parks, trails, and definitely a lot of shopping centers. It's down the street pretty much from the Smith's marketplace. So I believe it's the biggest Smith here in Las Vegas. And believe it or not, it actually has a bar inside the grocery store. I'm not surprised because we are in Vegas, guys. And there's building a lot of apartments in that area, a lot of in-and-out restaurant, mom and pops. So pretty cool. So here you have your pavers. You'll have them in the driveway. You have your 3-car garages or 2. There's your one, then right. Then your AC unit's gonna be on this side over here. And then show you a view from over here. So you only have, looks like 1 window in the front. So not many windows compared to these 2-story homes. You got pavers coming up to your walkway. Let's go inside and show you this single-story home. Ooh, squeaky door. So, as soon as you come in, there's the hallway to go all the way. You can see the living room over there. And you'll see this bedroom right here if you have the door open. Then here to the right is another bedroom. And then right over here, you have your bathroom. So let's start off with this bedroom and then we'll work our way around. That's the front door we just came through. You have 10-foot ceilings on this one. Also, another thing I don't really mention much because it just also depends when people watch these videos. As I'm making this video, the builder is giving you guys 5% towards your closing cost and to put some towards buying down that rate. Those are the many benefits of buying new build, guys. Getting those great incentives. As interest rates do go down, guys, keep in mind, more buyers are gonna start coming out of the woodworks. What does that mean for you? Well, if you're kind of holding back on buying now, let's say you buy 6 months or to a year down the road. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball, but what we see typically when we see rates go down, prices will go up. So if you kind of hold off a little more, I'm predicting, I mean, don't hold me to it, but this is just me being an agent and giving my opinion, but the prices are going to continue to rise. It's just because of low inventory and the demand still keeps being high. So here's to your 2-car garage. We're not going to check it out. And here's your laundry room. So you are at that spec'd out home. It did mention you're going to have a sink and your cabinets. Then here, you have your coat closet. So before we go down any further, quick recap. That's what we came through. We had seen that first bedroom, then right here to the left, that other bedroom. Then here is your laundry room. And then we come over here. Check this out, guys. So you have like your formal dining or whatever you wish to do with that area. It's like, interesting how they staged it. I mean, you could almost make this into a dining area right here, then have that just like an office, playroom, fitness room. I don't know, I'm just kind of thinking of what maybe I would do. Yeah, I mean, look at this, plenty of big space. So over here you have your living room, your fireplace, and here's your kitchen, guys. Check out this kitchen. So you do have the 10-foot ceilings with this one, and just check out those cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. I like it. So you got the quartz countertop island, seats about 4 people. Got your fiberglass undermount sink, dishwasher. Then over here you have your microwave, your oven. You actually have 2 ovens, one there, one over there. Countertop stove, stainless steel hood, these brown cabinets. Let's check off your soft close, and you are. You got the tile backsplash. Keep in mind, guys, as I know I mentioned that spec home, everything you see in this model home, I could guarantee you're not gonna get. So, something to keep in mind. Pantry. Before we check out the rooms, let's check out the backyard real quick. So just know when you purchase a new build home, guys, you're not gonna get this landscaping. You're just gonna get a clean slate. In easier terms, guys, just dirt. Not even these rocks, not those trees. But I do like how they made this space work for them at best. Since it is a single story family, you'll notice it does stick out farther than those 2-story homes. So you are gonna typically see a bigger, not bigger, the lot will get smaller. You could have the same size lot, guys, but since the home is just bigger, it takes some of that lot space. What do you guys think so far? Is this something that fits what you're looking for in your backyard? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys are enjoying this property tour, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and for extra bonus, tap that bell for notification. That way you are the first to be alerted when I do upload these new builds. And you're always staying up to date with what's new out there. So what do you guys think of this kitchen? Is this something that fits what you're looking for? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so we've seen 2 bedrooms already over there, right? So before we check out the primary, let's check out this room right over here. So this looks like it's a den. I already know because it doesn't have a door. So I believe this could be converted into a bedroom. Let me check my notes real quick what that spec home is on. So that spec home is a 4th bedroom. So yes, they are speccing this not as an office, this would be a bedroom. So out the door price, guys, for that spec'd out home is $656,040. That includes your lot premiums and the $88,000 in options. Okay, you do have a full bath right here, do you? No, you don't. Okay, so just your powder room right here. Then here to the right of it, you have your closet. So what do you guys think so far, this property tour? Let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you guys think of this floor plan so far? Does it make sense? Does it not? You're looking for single story, 2-story. So here we have your primary bedroom. What do you guys think? King size bed, oversized nightstands. Look how this room you still have. 2 windows there, then 1 over here. Then here's your primary bathroom. So you got 1 vanity here, then 1 over there. And then you just have the stand-up shower with this one. Really nice. What do you guys think? Let me give you bottom to top view. Oh, I like that window. Really like how just linear window to have the sun sneak in. But if you have a 2-story next door to you, it'd be a little challenge. You have your bathroom. Here's your other vanity. So which vanity would you go with? Would you go with this one right here? Or this one? I could give you my answer. I would use this one. Why? Because it's closer to the bedroom, more convenient. But let me give you guys a view of the shower from this view and the vanity as well. Does not have a bench. I do like how it has tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Even over here, this backsplash for this vanity goes all the way up to the ceiling as well. And over here, just something I wanted to point out. And linen closet, primary closet. Let me know what you guys think of this floor plan, guys. Is it something that fits what you're looking for? Is it a pass? Either way, let me know what you like, what you don't. Would definitely like to hear some feedback. And if there's any type of property you would like to see, let me know. I'm also open to feedback as well. And if new build is not for you guys, I also can assist you to buy a resale home, which means a pre-existing home. And also if you're looking to sell a property. Also, if you're out of state, you're looking to relocate, let's talk and let's put a game plan to help you make that relocation smooth as possible. I help many of my clients and would definitely love the opportunity to help you and your family make that smooth transition, because I know I've done it myself, and with having that proper resources and proper information, it just makes it a lot easier than kind of just trying to figure it out yourself. I'll have my contact info in the description below, here to help you with whatever you may need. If it's a question, if it's anything, guys, reach out, give me a call or text. Like always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this tour, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notification. That way you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Until next time, guys.